Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic after a long time. Today we are going to see how to upgrade Ubuntu 26.04 from Ubuntu 24.04. You can see in this video the distribution release is 24.04. We are going to upgrade it instead of installing from the beginning. So the command here is cat slash etc slash lsb release. You can able to check what Ubuntu version you are using. Now we are using 24.04 in LTS. So first thing you can do is sudo apt update. This command you can do so that it will update all the latest packages. Then afterwards you can use sudo apt upgrade. If there are any individual packages need to be upgraded, that also will be upgraded using this command. After that we can use sudo do release upgrade. So in this case it is giving some message that prompt equal to normal, so we can better go with the system control reboot. So we'll go for a reboot. After rebooting we use this command sudo do hyphen release hyphen upgrade hyphen d. It will be giving you a command like this. Do you want to continue, yes or no? Click yes, and this process may take up to 1 hour based on your internet connectivity and other system resources. So this will go like this. For the since the video is too long, I'm just cut short the installation procedures in between. And in between it will be asking for the bootloader. So keep the local version correctly installed. So whatever the local already installed the grep loader, that you maintain as it is and click enter. And after that again this procedure may take downloading, installing some packages, downloading some packages. So the process will continue and it keeps asking whether you want to continue or no. So press an S, and after all these things over, press Y to reboot the system. Once you press Y to reboot the system automatically will go for a reboot process. After the reboot, we will be logging into Ubuntu 26.04. So this is the initial setup where you want to have Ubuntu Pro for up to 10 years or 15 years of support. So click next, and if you don't want, you can skip it also. And afterwards, we have installed, and click next. Give the theme whether you want to use light color or dark. So I always prefer to be the light one, so I don't prefer the darker ones. So once it is done, you can open the command and then you can check and see the version of Ubuntu cat slash etc slash lsp hyphen release. You can see we have simply upgraded 26.04 LTS. So star release, you can say you can able to get all the release information. So Resolute Raccoon, that is the name of the release information, and we have successfully installed this. And LTS means it is a long-term support. So we will have a support of up to 5 years. So every 2 years Ubuntu gives the long-term support. So that means 24.04, now 26.04, now next will be 28.04. So that's how it gives. And in between versions, you have completely no LTS. It's just for a 9-month support. So that means after 9 months, the update packages may not work. So use at your own risk. So I suggest you to always use the LTS. So thanks for watching our video. And so we'll be giving you frequently, we'll be giving the videos hereafter. So keep subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.